All right, everybody, welcome back for a new whiteboard video. Just kidding. Today we are going to be going over the Klein Tools Rechargeable Personal Job Site Fan, and personally, I'm really excited about this one. So go ahead, take your knife, open her up. And so, like I said well, actually I haven't said it, but the title of this video explains that this is an unboxing, and I'm going to go over the features. As you can see, there are some very nice magnets right there, but let's just go ahead and read the back of the box. Powerful mounting magnets, hang hole, handle, power button, low and high, battery indicator right there. Hopefully this is charged so I can do this on a video. Use it. Rotates 360 degrees. Grip 360 degrees, USB-C charging port, and the clamp right there. So hopefully you could have read all that. If not, pause. Charging cable included. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. This was about, I think, $58 to $59.50. So somewhere between $58 and $60. So let's go ahead and try to open this up. There it is. Nothing else inside the box. Here is the charging cable right here. I don't want to cut myself, so I'm going to grab a different cutting utensil. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my glow-in-the-dark dikes. So there's the USB-C charging cord right here. So it goes from USB to USB-C. So that's nice that I could probably definitely charge this at work with my Apple iPhone brick right there, or use my portable charger right there. And yeah, moving on, we got the USB-C port right here, which is very nice. It has a little plug on it, so nothing gets inside of there. And then you just plug that back in, if I can do that, but I can't at the moment. Got the power button right here, and this is the battery indicator. And let's go over the 360 real quick. So this rotates 360 degrees, which is very nice. Seems very solid. Very solid plastic, and then very solid mount. So I got the 360 pivot there, and then we also have the 360 pivot here. So that's a really, really cool. Any angle that you want, I'm sure it's going to work. I would say that this clamp is very overkill right here. I think they could have gone a little bit smaller, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to work out to be really strong and long lasting, so I'm happy about that. So I don't know if this table is pretty thick, but I'll go ahead and try to clamp it right here so you guys can see. Go ahead and move this. So try to clamp this real quick. So that's what that looks like. The edge of the table is actually really thick. So anyways, you got that right there. That's clamped on there. That works. So I'm going to unclamp it real quick so you guys can see once again. Let me rotate this back. Sorry about that. Oh, too much. Okay. So now that we got that out of the way, let's push the button, see if it's charged up. So it's pretty silent. Feels really good. Nice and cool in the house. So that should be low. Okay, that was actually high. So now it's on low. You can hear it a little bit, very silent. And then you push the button again. Okay, so I think you push it once. Push it once to turn it on, and whether that's low or high. Push it again, turns it off. Push it again, then it changes to the other setting, and then push it again and turns it off. So every time you push it once, it changes the speed. Push it twice, it turns it off. So that's the high. Push it, and then it's gonna, oh, see, that time it changed. So that time it went from high to low, but last time it went high off, low off. Maybe there's a way of, like, maybe there's just how long that you hold the button. So if you hold that, you can see the battery charge. If you hold that down, okay, well, maybe I did it wrong. So anyways, it's working now. So it goes high, low, and then off. So that's very cool. I'm really going to get some good use out of this. And it sits nice on a table. And then obviously with the mounts right here, I can put that onto the table really quickly. So let me give you guys an angle here. So there it is, hanging upside down off of the table right there. And obviously the side is metallic, but the wood of the table overhangs it, so it's not really gonna show up really good on the video. But anyways, I'm really impressed with this so far. It looks a lot more sturdy than I thought it was going to be. The plastic is really nice. Seems pretty solid, not really flimsy at all. You can barely bend it. Sure, if it falls from a great distance, maybe something would break on it, but with the clip being so strong and the magnets being really strong, I don't really have much to worry about, and really excited to use this. So maybe I'll throw it on the charger, see if it's low a little bit, but other than that, I think that pretty much covers all the features. The charging cord, the clip, the magnets, the 360 spin on the fan on top, the 360 on the bottom. So anyways, yeah, really impressed. Sounds really quiet, blows some nice air. Actually, let me turn it back onto the high speed. That's really nice. And then once again on the low is also very nice. So yeah, can't wait to use this bad unit at work tomorrow. And yeah, if you're interested, go check it out. I'll post a link in the description maybe. And yeah, got this off Amazon. I said it was going to be here like, I don't know, it really didn't say it was going to be 2-day shipping, but anyways, it said it was going to be like 8 to 10, but it got here a lot sooner, so I'm really happy about that. But anyways, yep, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. All right, guys, I did forget a few things that I wanted to show you. This is what it looks like with the cord plugged in right there in the back. I don't have the exact how long this lasts. It did say on Amazon, I think it was 4 hours on high and somewhere between 6 to 9 hours on low. You'll have to double check that on Amazon. I just want to get this video made because I'm going to use it tomorrow. But also on the side of the box, here's examples right here. You can use the magnets to put it on steel studs. There's a clamp if you want to clamp it to EMT pipe, or there's also a little hole that you can put a screw on the wall and then hang it from a screw or a nail right there. So those are some very cool features. But other than that, I think that's about it. I'll show you the screw hole here real quick. As you can see, the screw hole right there. Put the screw and then let it push down. So those are some cool features right there. But you'll just have to double check on the battery, how long it lasts. The capacity of the battery is 5200 milliamp. Yeah, input 5 volts and then 2 amps, 10 watts. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching once again. Hopefully that helps you a little bit more. And check on Amazon or the Klein website of how long this lasts for the high and low settings. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See ya. And lastly, when you're charging it right here, I'm pretty sure this is 75 to 100%, and this is about 50 to 75%, and this is below 50%, and then red I think is like 25%, but that's all in the instruction manual. But that's what it looks like when it's charging, and this is how I might be doing it with my external battery bank right there. So that's very cool. And yep, that'll do it. All right, guys, so I just got done with work. It is Friday, and I just used the Klein fan for the first time all day today. I used it for about 4 to 6 hours on high, and that's when it started to get a little bit low, so I plugged in my charger just in case. But I am blown away with the quality of how well it works. I stuck it to front of a panel, side of a panel, clipped it on a 1-inch pipe, and I'm blown away with how well it works, how great it works, how helpful it is. And also a few of my coworkers also really enjoyed it, shared it with them, and they really were blown away with how, no pun intended, they were blown away with how well that it worked, and just impressed with the quality. And like they were like, oh, it's just a fan, it's not going to do much, but they were really impressed with how well it worked, and how much air it moved and how much it helped keep them cool. So anyways, really love it, and I would have paid a lot more to experience this, but loved it, and I would buy it again 100% any day, and 100% good feedback so far. So really love it. Got it charging at work right now. But anyways, just thought I'd leave you guys with that information. Have a good one. Peace. And you can use the fan and charge it at the same time.